Since 2010, we're honored to be part of the printing industry and clean anilox rolls with a laser. Today, our customers are more than 1,000 printing houses worldwide. Only Laser EcoClean provides a warranty for each anilox roll it cleans. We have cleaned more than 50,000 anilox rolls. Our mobile cleaning team can clean anilox rolls up to 200 kilograms. We can clean a 1-meter surface in 10 minutes. All types of anilox rolls with all kinds of line screens. For narrow web, wide web, corrugated, our equipment can clean it from all residue type. The ink transfer volume of the dirty anilox returns to the state of a new one within minutes. We protect your rolls and your investments with guaranteed safety for every roll. Our cleaning teams serve customers in Australia, Canada, the USA, Mexico, and Europe, including the United Kingdom. Our team can clean your rolls in our van or directly at your facility. In case you have more than 70 anilox rolls, you can consider using our stationary equipment.